Hello, what's up mga karoro? So, nandito na naman tayo for another unboxing. And this time, again, we will unbox a gift. A gift from a Frenchman uh, na naging friend ko dito sa Malaysia. So, galing siya ng Tokyo, Japan. And then, pagbalik niya rito, binigyan niya ako ng pasalubong. So, this is it. Tokyo banana. So this is what he gave to me. So I will unbox it, what is inside, because this is my first time to see this, and this is my first time that makakatikim ako nito. So Tokyo banana. Nag-start siya noong November 22, 1991. Ayan. November 22, 1991. Okay? So, it's open. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So, ang expiration date niya is December 25. December 25. So, sa Pasko, hanggang Pasko, pwede pa siyang kainin. So this is the box. So this is the wrapper, and this is the box. Okay. So I don't know what's inside. Let's check what's inside. Sabay-sabay tayo sabay-sabay tayo. Oh my gosh. So this is a banana. I think, yeah. So later, pag kinain ko to, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? So this is the banana. Okay? So bye-bye. Thank you. So later, so may kasama din siyang mga stickers. No, napakabait ng aking mga nakikilala rito sa aking paglalakbay. So, isa yung Frenchman na yon na nakilala ko because he saw me wearing a t-shirt I know how to speak, and then nakalagay sa ilalim is I know how to speak French phrase. So that's why we became friends, because he wants to take photo of my t-shirt, and because he will send this to his friends. So this is the Tokyo banana. So November 22, 1991. So until December 25, I can eat this one. So on December 25, on the Christmas, I have my yan, meron akong handa. So see you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.